Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is actually part of the Divinedecals UK collab. So the theme was floral. So I'm going to be using these Madam Glam polishes and this one from Aimeili. So this is a reflective gel one. So I'm going to be doing it on tips. So yeah, I'm just going to apply the base colors. Now these are really pretty, and I think these three colors worked very well together. So I will stick some music on and then I will come back in a second. Okay. Okay, I'm going to apply some foil. So I'm using the Macart foil glue. So how I use the Macart foil glue, I apply it to the nail. You want to apply it evenly and make sure you obviously get all the sides and everything. And then I cure it for 60 seconds, but then I leave it to cool down for anywhere up to a minute, just so it's obviously quite cool. So this is the foil I'm going to use today. This is from Charlie's Nail Art. I'll put the name on the screen, or I will definitely have it in the description box. I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head. So I thought I would add, instead of adding like glitter or pigment, I thought, well, I'll use the foil instead. And it actually worked out really nice. So literally I just apply it to nail, give it a bit of a rub, and then just pull it off. So that works out really good. Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to show you in the light. So yeah, that's how I use the Macart foil glue, because I do see lots of people having a bit of trouble with it. So yeah, I think also it comes down to like your lamp and everything else. So these are the decals I'm going to use today. These are beautiful flower ones, and these ones, I think they're so pretty. So how I do it is I do the stamper method. You can do it whichever way that you want to. So I just apply a small amount of water. I don't swamp them, and just wait until they are ready, and then I just slide the backing off. Obviously, because these are water decals, they are sheer, so either put them on a light background or paint the backs in with a white polish. I normally use a stamping polish just because it's very opaque and it dries very quickly. So that's what I do. So when they're ready, I just take them straight off. I didn't need to do it on the back of this one because it's quite a dark decal, so I didn't need to use that. So I just kind of just make sure it's okay and pop it on. I haven't wiped the tacky layer off of the polish either. I just used that to my yeah, to my advantage. But if you have wiped it off, no problem, you can just go in with the base coat or any sort of foil glue and it will work absolutely fine. So this is me just using the Born Pretty white stamping polish just to paint the back of it, just so it pops a bit more. It doesn't take long to dry at all, and then I will just place them onto the nail. Okay, I will leave you here and then I shall come back. Okay, so here, I think I got these off of Amazon in some kit or something. I thought I would use them just because, you know, it had like the purples and things, but I ended up not using that many of them anyway. So, yeah, it doesn't really make a lot of difference. So this is the Model 1's nail glue. I got this off of AliExpress. So I just put some on and then just apply the couple of rhinestones that I actually took out of here. I don't know. I just saw, I had them out on the table. I think I was just sorting stuff out. But the colours in there kind of match the water decal. So, yeah, it was actually a good idea. So, yeah, I'm just sifting through and just trying to find ones that are not too big, because I like to have smaller stones on the little finger. So I'm going to go in with this striping tape. This is like the unicorn striping tape. So yep, I just put it on and then just cut it off, and then I will trim it a bit more, because obviously you want it up to the edges but not right directly butted right up to it, otherwise it will lift. And then I just go over with my silicone tool just to make sure it's all flat, and then I'm going to go in with the Aimeili no wipe top coat today and top coat them all off, and then that is this set done. It was quite a quick set, very easy. And yeah, I will put the flash on so you can see what the reflective gel looks like, and yeah, this is this one all done. I think it turned out really pretty, very simple but really pretty. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget, I do have discount codes for Charlie's, Aimeili, Madam Glam and Divinedecals. They'll all be at the end. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like it? Don't you like it? Yeah, just let me know any thoughts you have down below. Don't forget give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.